Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation we will have discussion on the topic, how the Python interpreter runs the script under its supervision. So this is the basic layout of a computer system. Anybody who has used a computer system will be aware of this. A computer system has an input device, an output device. It has a secondary storage like hard disk, then CPU and RAM, which are electronic chips, present on the motherboard inside the cabinet. What happens when a user executes a C program? The user interface of the operating system will load the C program's exe file into the RAM in some predefined layout. And then the CPU fetches one instruction at a time from the RAM and performs operations as per the instructions on the available data. This is typically how a compiled exe runs on the system. Unlike C++ programs that run directly after compilation, Python scripts runs under the supervision of Python interpreter. We can run the Python script using any of the below methods. Interactive interpreter. You can run Python commands directly in the interactive shell by typing Python or Python 3 in Py. Terminal. Script execution. Save Python code in a .py file and execute it from the command line with command Python 3 followed by script.py. Integrated development environment. IDE. Use an IDE like PyCharm, VS Code, or Jupyter Notebook for a comprehensive development environment with additional features. Now let us see stepwise how exactly the Python script runs inside the system. Following are the steps. Step 1. User initiates execution. User runs the script via CLI, IDE, or GUI application. Step 2. Command processing. CLI processes the command and prepares to invoke the Python interpreter or IDE. The IDE processes the run command and prepares for execution. Step 3. Interpreter initialization. The Python interpreter, Python, or Python 3, is invoked, initializing internal data structures, memory management, and loading built-in libraries. Step 4. Script preparation. The interpreter locates the script hello.py, reads it, and compiles it to bytecode. Step 5. Execution context setup. Global namespace is created to store global variables and function definitions. Local namespace is created as needed for functions. Environment variables are accessed through the OS module. Current working directory is managed using functions from the OS module. Dependencies and paths are set if a virtual environment is active. Step 6. Script execution. The script is executed line by line or function by function within Py. Interpreters process context. Step 7. System interaction. The script interacts with the operating system for tasks like file I/O, networking, and process management through system calls mediated by the interpreter. Step 8. Output and termination. The script produces output to the console, files, or other systems. Upon completion, the interpreter cleans up resources and returns control to the CLI or IDE. Hope you enjoyed and liked the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.